Welcome to Heartland Family Adventures. Today we invite you to join us for a fun-filled day at Silverdollarcity in Branson, Missouri from our recent trip in April 2021. Today we're sharing our tips for what to do on a rainy day at the park, as well as some of our favorite rides and family attractions, and highlights from the Street Fest, including performers and new food options at the park this spring. If you're new to our channel, we welcome you to join our family of subscribers. We post new content every week, including park vlogs, dining reviews, family activities, resort tours, and more. We hope you enjoy. Although it was a rainy morning on the day of our visit, we came prepared with our rain jackets and umbrellas, and we were able to enjoy quite a few of the park's attractions while staying dry. Some of your best options at the park on a rainy day include the Frisco Silver Dollar Line steam train, the flooded mine, the carousel, and the Royal Tea Party spinning teacups. All of these rides are either covered or indoors and were great options to pass the time until the rainy weather cleared.
Henry, super excited for the carousel? There's Emma and Aurora.
Thankfully, by midday, it had stopped raining and we were able to enjoy some of the family-friendly rides in the Grand Exposition area, as well as Fireman's Landing. These areas of the park are great for families with small children who aren't quite tall enough for some of the larger roller coasters.
Oh man, they're really hopping. Woo-woo! Woo! Hopping.
Lucky go!
Oh, lucky go! Up he goes! Oh, nice, guys. Woo!
Street Fest is one of the spring festivals at Silver Dollar City this year, running from April 15th to May 2nd, including entertainment in the streets and outdoor stages of the park.
It's just as before. Happy will be beyond the sea. And never again.
Some of the Street Fest acts included stilt walkers, living floral trees, acrobats, circus performers, magicians, comedians, bands, and other entertainment. During our visit, we caught Eric Haynes, the one-man band, who was a new performer for the festival this year. We also saw a living floral tree. We loved trying some of the new food options for Street Fest, including the chicken skewers, tater tumblers, the loaded tater twist, and a special flavored kettle corn.
Hey guys, how are those tater twists? Are they delicious?
Yeah.
Thumbs up?
The ketchup is good too.
Yeah, so what flavors did you get?
I got plain, ketchup, and cheddar.
Oh, yum. And he's almost finished his. He has cheddar and maple syrup on his. Yum.
Yummy.
And you can also get a loaded baked potato one. Thing like this with sour cream drizzle and cheese. Oh my goodness. And you also get ones with a hot dog in the middle. Look at that. It's good stuff, huh, bud?
This is Aurora.
Yeah. These are our friends, aren't they? You guys are chowing down. Look at that. All right, so we have the honey skewer and we have the barbecue skewer. Right.
Open the thing totally.
And this one also
That's
has
good.
chunks
That's
of mango and pineapple, peppers.
It's a light barbecue on the outside. It's good. It's funny, they also put it with the pineapple and mango on top.
Mm-hmm.
The same salsa. It's a good option. They were very popular.
Yeah, there was a long line over
It was
here.
a long line. So
This is over here at Hatfield's Tater Patch.
you want to try to catch it early because it took quite a while to get these. But
Yep.
they're good.
Hello. Hello.
Very good. Nice, healthy grilled option here.
Okay, what do you think?
That's really good.
I'll try.
Got lots of good options.
Chorizo and what? Avocado?
Chorizo, avocado. That looks like avocado drizzle.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Is this like... Yes, please.
Oh man, look at that. Okay.
Chorizo and avocado.
Yeah, so you see it's just like, kind of like hash browns in here with the potato, and it's just mixed in with the chorizo, and then they fried it and put this nice avocado drizzle on here. Let's try that. Okay.
That's good.
Good.
That's like 2 thumbs up.
That's really good. So it's like the finely shredded hash browns mixed with some chorizo, so you get that little kick, but then it's nice and crispy fried on the outside. It's really good. Yeah, that's my favorite.
I got a little bit of spice, but not a lot.
That's a hit.
That's good.
Our next stop of the day was Clarabelle's to get some of the amazing cinnamon bread. This is one of our favorite sweet treats at the park that we definitely recommend.
Right, this is the Clarabelle cinnamon bread with glaze. That looks really good. And we got some coffees and some cinnamon roll kettle corn. And we're sitting right over by the Mystic River and watching the boats come down. And it's a rainy, cool day. This is perfect. Hey guys, how do you think? What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like the popcorn? Yeah.
It's very yummy.
It's very yummy. All right. All right. Try some, Dave. Fresh baked out of the oven with warm drizzle on a
This is a
cold
must.
day.
You have to get this when you come to work.
Yes. This is a must. This is a must get. And you have to sit over here, right next to Mystic River, so you can watch the boats come down, entertain the children. There they go.
Later in the day, we enjoyed riding some of the bigger roller coasters and attractions, including Outlaw Run, Thunderation, the Giant Barn Swing, and Wildfire.
They're pretty crazy to ride that ride, huh? Did you see them? They were on there.
So,
Yeah, they were flying, weren't they? Phew. There they go down. Here they come.
We hope you enjoyed coming along with us for our fun day at Silver Dollar City. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to sharing more adventures at Silver Dollar City with you this year at upcoming festivals and events. We'll see you next time.